Princess and the Frog is one of my favorite Disney movies, so I'm really excited to make these nails and wear them even if the characters look a little off. I outlined the design off camera because it was hard to get something I liked. This was my fourth attempt that I decided to go with. I knew something looked off here, but I was hoping that it was just the missing line art. I thought what was off was maybe the chin. Today while editing, I realized the eyes were supposed to be closer together. Oops. I gave up fixing it after a few hours on these nails, and honestly, I still love these nails. Also, my brother recognized Dr. Facilia, so I'm counting this as a win.